celebrated Philippine festivals. Sinulog Festival. The Sinulog Santo Niño Festival is an annual cultural and religious festival held on the 3rd and 4th Sundays of January in Cebu City and Carmen, Cebu, and is the center of the Santo Niño Catholic celebrations in the Philippines. The festival is widely regarded as the first and largest in the Philippines, with each celebration attracting between 1 and 15 million people from all over the world. Aside from the religious aspect of the festival, Sinulog is also famous for its street parties, usually happening at night before and at the night of the main festival. Giant Lantern Festival. The Giant Lantern Festival is an annual event held in the Philippines city of San Fernando in mid-December. The festival includes a giant lantern competition with lights and music. Because of the festival's popularity, the city has been dubbed the Christmas capital of the Philippines. The Parola Star Lantern is perhaps the most iconic Filipino Christmas symbol, colorful, lovingly crafted, and bringing to the spirit of the season. Dinagyang Festival. The Dinagyang Festival is a well-known religious and cultural festival in Iloilo City, Philippines, held annually on the 4th Sunday of January. Dinagyang is one of the Philippines' largest and most prestigious festivals, attracting over 1 million domestic and international visitors each year. The festival is the only one in the Philippines to have been named the best tourism village for 3 years in a row by the Association of Tourism Officers in the Philippines in 2006, 2007, and 2008. Mascara Festival. The Mascara Festival in Bacolod City is one of the largest festivals in the Philippines. For over 30 years, the festival has provided local and international visitors with the opportunity to have fun, drink, and party on the streets of Bacolod. This annual festival, similar to Brazil's Rio Carnival, literally translates to many faces and is held in Bacolod every October. Bacolod City was given the nickname the City of Smiles because of the massive smiling faces. Panagbinga Festival. Panagbinga is an annual flower festival held in Baguio City, Philippines, in February. This festival celebrates Baguio and the Pueblo's history, traditions, and values. The festival was created to pay tribute to the city's flowers and to help the city recover from the devastation caused by the 1990 Luzon earthquake. The festival features floats that are mostly covered in flowers, similar to those seen in Pasadena's Rose Parade. The festival also includes street dancing performed by dancers dressed in flower-themed costumes. Kadayawan Festival. The Kadayawan Festival is an annual festival held in Davao, Philippines. The festival is a celebration of life, a thanksgiving for nature's gifts, the riches of culture, the bounty of harvest, and the serenity of living. Every year in the 3rd week of August, this festival celebrates the 11 tribes of Davao City. The Indik sa Kadalanan, or street dancing, is one of the highlights of the Kadayawan Festival. The festivities feature various Mindanao communities dancing in vibrant costumes that highlight their indigenous heritage. Moriones Festival. It is a vibrant festival held on the Philippine island of Marinduque. The Moriones is an annual Lenten festival held on the island of Marinduque during Holy Week. The Moriones are men and women dressed in costumes and masks resembling biblical imperial and royal Roman soldiers, as interpreted by the locals. Other festivals in the Philippines have been inspired by the Moriones tradition, in which cultural practices are transformed into street festivals. Pahiyas Festival. Every May 15th, the Pahiyas Festival is held in Lucban, Quezon Province, in honor of the patron saint of farmers, Saint Isidore the Laborer. This festival, which begins with a 6 a.m. Mass at the Lucban Church, features a street of houses decorated with fruits, vegetables, agricultural products, handicrafts, and kipping, a rice-made decoration that can be eaten grilled or fried. The houses are judged, and the best one is crowned champion. Every year, tourists visit the municipality to see how the houses are decorated. Obando fertility rites. The Obando fertility rites are a dance ritual that began as an Anidis ritual and evolved into a Catholic festival held every May in Obando, Bulacan, Philippines. Locals and pilgrims, some dressed in traditional garb, dance and sing in the streets of Obando to honor and beseech the town's three patron saints, San Pascual, Pascal Bailon, Santa Clara, Clara of Assisi, and Our Lady of Salambao. The rites, particularly the fertility dance, are popular with pilgrims from all over the Philippines, with the majority praying to the triad of saints for a child, a spouse, or general good fortune. Throughout the 3 days, devotees joyfully dance in the streets as a form of prayer, requesting that the spirit of life enter women's wombs. Feast of the Black Nazarene. The Feast of the Black Nazarene, also known as the Traslacion after the mass procession associated with the feast, is a religious festival held in Manila, Philippines, centered on the Black Nazarene, an image of Jesus Christ. It is observed every year on January 9th. The Feast of the Black Nazarene commemorates the anniversary of the image's translation or transfer from its original location in modern-day Luneta Park to Quiapo.